Part 1 Introduction to Geometrical Figures. Revision: Quadrilateral, Triangle, Circle. Friends, you must have seen many things at your home, school, and in the surroundings. Everything has different shapes. Some are in square shape, some in triangular shape, and some in circular shape. You already have studied about these shapes. These shapes are called geometric figures. So let us revise these shapes. Let us start with quadrilateral. See this picture. In this picture, all of them are quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. Now let us see different types of triangles. See this picture. All these are triangles and each triangle has 3 sides. In this picture, all of them are circles. All these are circles and they are circular in shape. Look at the pictures below. Identify the geometrical figure. Draw it and write its name. Now this is a picture of a TV. If you notice the TV, the figure of the TV is like a rectangle. Let us draw a rectangle over here. So the name of the figure is rectangle. Now this is a carom board. The carom board has square as its geometrical figure. So we will draw a square over here. And name of the figure is square. This is a picture of a yummy sandwich. Can you identify the shape of the sandwich? Yes, it's a triangle. So you draw a triangle over here. And name of the figure is triangle. So you can write it here. This is a mobile phone. Well, the figure of the mobile phone is like a rectangle. So draw a rectangle over here, which means the name of the figure is rectangle. Now that's a bangle. It has the shape of a circle, so you'll draw a circle over here. Now write circle over here. Identify the triangles, circles, and quadrilaterals in the picture above. Color the triangles red, the quadrilaterals blue, and the circles yellow. I'm sure this activity is going to be fun for you, so just go for it. Color the triangles red, color the quadrilaterals blue, color the circles yellow. Edges and corners. Now we will learn about edges and corners. But before that, look at this piece of barfi. Sonu's grandma gave her this burfi. Look at the burfi. What is the shape of the burfi? Well, yes, that's correct. This piece of burfi is quadrilateral in shape. A quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 corners. See, these are the 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And these are 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Have you understood? These are the edges and these are the corners. Now let us take a small test. See this table. Observe the surface of the table. Surface means this portion. Can you tell how many edges this surface of the table have? That's correct. The surface of the table has 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many corners does the surface have? Very good. You're right. It has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now the last question. It is very easy. What is the shape of the surface of the table? You are correct. It is rectangular in shape. That is, it is rectangle. Rectangle. Take a rectangular sheet of paper as shown below. How many edges and how many corners does a rectangle have? Well, if you notice properly, a rectangle has 4 corners and 4 edges. Now let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. What do we see? The longer side falls exactly on the opposite side. The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite too. So, the opposite sides of a rectangle are of equal length. Did you notice that? All right. Square. Take a look at a handkerchief. It is a square. How many edges and corners does a square have? Well, let us find out. The handkerchief has 4 corners and 4 edges. Now, fold the handkerchief in the middle from top to bottom as well as from side to side to see if the opposite sides are of equal length. Now, we shall fold the handkerchief as shown alongside to find out if each corner falls exactly on the one opposite. Well, the corners match and so do the edges that make them up. Now fold the handkerchief over again. All the edges match in length. So, all the edges of a square are of equal length. Note that we got a triangle when we folded the handkerchief. Triangle. How many edges does a triangle have? How many corners? Well, a triangle has 3 edges and it has 3 corners. Find this shape in your surroundings. Well, for example, the birthday cap. Use sticks to make the following shapes. Quadrilateral. With the help of sticks, quadrilateral can be made in this manner. Rectangle. You have learned that opposite sides of rectangle are equal. So we will need two sticks of same size and another set of two sticks of same size. With the help of sticks, you can make rectangle like this. Square. In square, all the four sides are equal. So you will require four sticks of same size to make a square. By using sticks, you can make square in this form. Triangle. With the help of three sticks, you can make triangle in this way. Complete the table below. Well, first we will see the figure and then we will identify the figure, talk about the edges and the corners. For that, the table is prepared. Figure. If you see the first figure, that's a quadrilateral. So name of the figure is quadrilateral. How many edges does a quadrilateral have? 4. Right. How many corners? 4. Right again. Now let us see the next figure. That's a rectangle. So name of the figure is rectangle. Number of edges. They are 4. Now let us see the number of corners. They are 4 too. So write 4 over here. Let us see the next figure, and that's a square. So name of the figure square. Number of edges again 4. Number of corners 4 too. Next is a triangle. So name of the figure triangle. Number of edges 3. Number of corners 3. Last figure is a circle. So the name of the figure is circle. A circle has one edge but no corners. Now let's have some fun. Well, let us learn how to make a 5-piece tangram. Take a square piece of paper. Find the center of the paper by folding it twice. Also, mark the center of all the 4 edges. Draw lines to draw the center of the sides and the center of the square as shown in the picture. Now, make 5 pieces of the square by cutting along the lines as shown in the picture. But be very careful with a pair of scissors. Alright? Now, using the tangram here, answer the following questions. How many triangles are there in your tangram? Well, let us count. Well, there are 3 triangles in our tangram with number 1, number 3 and number 4. Are all the triangles alike? If you notice, all the triangles are not alike. Can we join 2 of the triangles to make a square? Well, if we see properly, yes, 2 triangles can be joined together to form a square, and that would be triangle number 1 and triangle number 4. Can we join 2 of the triangles to make a big triangle? That can be done as well. If we join triangle 1 and triangle number 4, we can form a big triangle. How many squares are there in this tangram? How many quadrilaterals? Well, there is only one square in the tangram with number 5 and one quadrilateral with number 2. In the picture below, identify the figures drawn on the dotted paper. Color the triangles red, squares blue, and the rectangles green. This is a triangle. Let us color it red. That is a square. We'll color it as blue. Now this is a rectangle. Let us color it green. This figure is triangular in shape, so it is a triangle. Let us color it red. This is a square. Let us color it blue. Now that's a rectangle, so it should be green in color.
Thanks for watching Home Revise. Please like, subscribe and share this video.